Did you know that a man once patented a device to help you avoid the dreaded hiccups? Meet the quirky inventor GeorgeD.Smith, who in 1932 created the Hiccup Eliminator. This strange contraption looked like a mix between a drinking straw and a medieval torture device. It promised to cure hiccups by forcing you to breathe in a specific way. While it never took off, it highlights how inventive minds sought solutions for even the most mundane problems. Imagine how many bizarre inventions have slipped through the cracks of history. What other forgotten inventions could have changed our daily lives? Maybe your next big idea is hiding in the past. Be awesome, like, subscribe, comment, and share.